Hello, welcome to the Click Experts, and today we are going to talk about Google Drive. Now, I was surprised to find out that a lot of people don't know about Google Drive. Google Drive is similar to Microsoft Office. It has applications similar to Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, etc. So in order to access Google Drive, and it's completely free, you just have to have a Gmail account. So once you open a Gmail account and you have your Gmail set up, right from this portion of your Gmail, you're going to go to the top right corner. And if you look up there, you are going to see 3 line dots. You're going to click on that and you're going to see right here a host of things, and you're going to click on Google Drive. Now, once you're on Google Drive, you can go to the left corner and you'll see new. Now, this is going to have your file, new folder, file upload, and you can upload a whole folder. Here's your Google Docs, your Google Sheets, your Google Slides, your Google Forms, and there's more. And we're not going to get into these right now because this is just an introductory, but we'll talk about the other forms or applications. So, Google Docs. So with Google Docs, once you're on Google Docs is similar to Microsoft Word. You can come on here, you can type, you can share it across screens, you can actually print from here. You can do everything similar to Microsoft Word right here on Google Docs. And now we'll go to Google Sheets. Now, Google Sheets is similar to Microsoft's Excel. It's not as powerful as Excel, but it's pretty close. And it's here. A lot of the commands are similar. There's some that might be a little bit different, but for the most part, that's Excel. Next one is Google Slides. Now, this is similar to PowerPoint on Microsoft. You get all the amenities, very similar. And what I've noticed is that this is just as powerful as PowerPoint. And here you have Google Forms. Now, this area you can do a lot of different things here, as far as setting up surveys. You want to set up opinion polls, and you want to set up pretty much anything you want as far as just getting feedback from people. Those are basically the basics of Google Drive and how to access it. Just a quick synopsis, nothing too in depth. I'll probably make a deeper video about more of what can be utilized as far as using Google Drive later on. And if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Also, thank you to all